morning, good evening, good afternoon. How you boys and girls doing? I hope you're having a blessed day today. I'm your host, your mechanic, your goddamn boy KB. I just want to say welcome back to the channel. Obviously, if you've been watching, right now we're on episode 4. Painted the frame, or touched up the frame, painted the front forks, painted the handlebars, primed and got the front wheel and rear wheel ready. Today's focus is the engine and the carb. This is the engine. It's obviously a Aprilia 50cc engine. The issue on the bike was it was bogging down, so I want to clean the carb, but first thing I want to do is take off this rear mudguard, then flush the engine, take the carb off, and everything should be good from there. Yep, happy days. So, I managed to take off the rear mud guard. That is all getting clean. That being said though, look at the shoes on there. They still got good life in them. Oh my lord, that's like what? I don't know. I don't know the actual length or depth or whatever it is. But it looks good in it. So right now what I want to do is, I'm just gonna put a glove over this, clean it out, and then take it off afterwards, because if I were to take off now, it would just be a headache to try and cover up this bit with the reeds. Is it reeds? Yeah, where the reeds go. So first things first, get the glove, slap it on there, tape, slap it on the outside, and possibly the glove and the tape to slap on the spark plug opening. This engine is going to take a lot more cleaning than I thought. I don't think this bike had been washed for a long time in it. So the dirt had basically integrated into all the scratches that had been on the bike. So what I'm going to do is get the wire wheel, take off the first layer of the gunk plus mud plus metal plus whatever. Pardon me. Then yeah, I'll do that. So I've managed to clean up the engine. I've used the wire wheel to obviously get off the dirt that basically integrated into the metal. So right now, I'd like to think this is more of a preliminary? Is it preliminary, Dad? Preliminary, that's the one. Whatever that said, yeah. Preliminary wash. Tomorrow we'll obviously come through, do a proper thorough wash. Then tomorrow, that's when I can start looking at the carburetor. The carburetor is here, which definitely needs to clean. 110%. But first clean of the engine actually came out looking good. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna let it dry. Oh no, I'll probably leave the cleaner stuff on there so it starts eating away at the dirt and stuff like that. So tomorrow I can literally come jet wash it quickly, do the secondary wash.
The next day.
Whew, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, and I'm feeling good. But welcome to the British weather, man. It's cold. It is cold. Yeah, let's get back into the cleaning of the bike, man, or the engine. while I'm here, I might as well check the crank and everything. Because right now, it looks in good condition. Check if there's any. Nah, there is literally no play. There's a little bit, but that's natural. This looks alright. Happy days. Yeah, we're good. Win money, baby. Winning money.
Moments later.
So cleaned it good. But now I'm gonna get the jet wash and just quickly jet wash it so I can see if there's any sections I've missed out, anything like that, so I can go over it once again. Because really and truly, it looks clean. Don't get me wrong, it looks hella clean. But I want to get good clean. Like I want to get it clean good. Do you get what clean I mean? Anyway, like I said, it's dark, hella dark. So I've set up the lights. I'm gonna set the camera up near the lights, around the lights, wherever it is. I don't want any water getting onto the camera, so obviously it's gotta be a bit far away in it. Wide eye view, that's basically what it is. Let me set you guys up. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's come out looking clean. Like, don't get me wrong, it could be cleaner. It could definitely be cleaner. But I am quite happy with the results, you know. What is the time? Hold on 1 second. Ooh! It's 9 minutes past 6. Tomorrow, one thing we're doing is paint stripping the casing, paint stripping the kickstand. Alright, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, but for you guys, it's literally 2 seconds.
The next morning.
Yeah, just fine. But how you guys doing today, man? I'm having a blessed day. Sun's out. It means we've got about 2 hours before the sun actually goes down, innit? Really and truly, yesterday we got a lot done. We actually got a lot done. Basically, I want to get the Dremel, just go over all this, which is going to be the most visible. So the front plate is also going to get painted. So that's going to get stripped down hopefully today. Like I said, the kickstand as well is going to get stripped hopefully today. But yeah, that's the plan. Where is it? Ugh. Ooh. This has actually come out looking beautiful, isn't it? But it's shining. It is. Let me show you. Ooh. Alright, obviously the lights from up here. Boom. Look at that. Oh my lord. Oh Jesus. I need the light back here. Wait. This is absolutely splendid. So right now, get the little wire wheel, clean off these bolts, then get the big drill with wire wheel, clean this off quickly, and this one, and then start paint stripping. Oh my lord. Actually too gassed. This actually looks beautiful. I'm actually too proud of myself. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. I'm gassed. I'm actually over the moon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return all the plastics back on, clean them up, obviously spruce them up so they're looking good. Then we're gonna move on to the paint stripping. It's still a bit light out. I think it's around 3:45, 4ish. So which means I still have a bit of time left to do the paint stripping. I don't know if I can prep it, but I can. Happy days. Yeah, let me put you guys down and then we'll get from there. We'll start. everything. Now go around, loosen up all the bolts, and then just lift up the whole casing in one go. I want to do a quick inspection of the inside, like is the belt, everything like that looking good. So basically just to make sure it's all running good, it's all 100%. Yeah. Actually looks good in here. Yeah, I'm sure this belt has been changed recently because one, the teeth look good in it. Two, the writing is still, everything's still intact and stuff like that. Obviously there's the dust and that crap, but that's nothing, that's minor. There's no cracks, no nothing in the casing of the engine. That doesn't need to be touched. Anything inside there does not need to be touched. But what I want to do first is clear up this. I want to wipe it down, probably give it one more little wash, and then paint strip. Stick the paint strip on now. While I'm sticking on that, I want to stick it on the kickstand as well. Yeah, I think that should be it. Kickstand all dried up perfectly, everything like that. Paint's all dried, paint's all off and everything like that. I've already wiped it down, I've scuffed it, whatever needs to be done. So now all that's left is to prime it. So I'm gonna set you guys a bit further back because I don't want any overspray or anything like that to come and hit the camera in there. So let me set you guys. Done now. What we'll do is I'll put it to the side, let it dry, and then we'll now focus just merely on it. This is officially done. This actually looks really good for a route can. That's good coverage. Oh, yeah, nah, we done well, we done well, we done well. Tomorrow what we'll do is I'm gonna do the whole, oh my god, my battery's dying. It might just die in turns now, any second right.
The next day.
Boys, I wasn't gonna show you the end results. Yeah, let's see what the end results of the spray paint, because really and truly, it was too dark yesterday, innit? So, sun's out, paint looking beautiful. In fact, let me just show you guys. I am gassed. Look at this. It's almost like even coverage. This is just a madness. Beautiful. Oh. Let me show you the kickstand. Golly, this is beautiful. Beautiful coverage. Ooh. In fact, hold on, let me lift it up. Show you guys in the sun. Oh my lord. I told you I'm the Picasso of painting. No, I was the Monet. Was that the Monet of paint stripping? I'm the Picasso of painting now. That being said, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Let me know in the comment below what you liked, obviously. And then if you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down. Then let me know. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. I'm your host, your mechanic KB, and I'm out, baby.